What's up, guys? We're here at the local four-wheel parts in El Cajon, California. I'm pretty guilty of riding around with Big Booty Judy and that 42-foot race trailer on the bump stops for quite some time now. I got a lot going on, so four-wheel parts and my boy Gabe over here have made it easy for me to drop off Judy and get airbags with Bluetooth installed to fix that problem. Shout out to four-wheel parts for letting me just drop this girl and keep on going, because yeah. So I got tied up yesterday and these guys had some hurdles to overcome, but they got my truck done by 6 o'clock. Unfortunately, I was too busy to come pick it up, so we're here first thing in the morning. What'd you guys have to overcome?
So we found out when we got it up in the air that it had lowering shackles in it and it was missing its bump stops. So we had to replace the shackles, get the correct ride height right, so we can install these airbags. We have the Firestone Airbags, good for up to 100 PSI. It's a pretty simple install, no drilling, cutting, any of that.
Bolt in.
Bolt in, yeah. So it's
like it.
Fairly simple install. And then there's the compressor and the manifold over here. Just bolts to the frame rail pretty easily. So.
You also said there was another cool little manual override.
Yeah, so if anything were to ever go wrong, it's got the manual fill right here, so you can just plug that in with an air hose and just pump up the bags to whatever you want.
Perfect, so you're not going to be out of trip if something happens, or unsafe.
Yeah, definitely.
Which is a beautiful thing. Let's go check out this airlift pump setup.
So here's the wireless one compressor. The compressor is just all one unit right here. Kind of just bolts anywhere you want. This is a pretty standard option to bolt it right to the side of the frame.
I like it.
Compressor comes off here into the manifold. The manifold it controls all the air going to the airbags, just with that little remote.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Loading. Crank her up to 40 PSI on the fly. Ready? Bingo, 40 PSI like that. And there's two presets on this controller. One, hold it down, preset saved one. There's two options. So you best believe my flatbed and my box trailer are gonna have their own presets. Make it easy. I'm gonna play with it, find the ride, and yeah, what do you think this is gonna do for towing all that weight?
It's gonna be a night and day difference. Before it didn't have any bump stops. You're definitely gonna notice a difference for sure.
Yeah, if you look up under the truck to my fifth wheel hitch, actually one of the bolts broke off from an impact of where the road and the bridge had kind of a G out, and I thought the back half of the truck was gonna rip off, but no, it just broke a 3/4 bolt, sheared it. So this is gonna help prevent that from happening, and I know there's a lot of people that go to the desert and tow heavy that are guilty of being like me for the last year with this new truck, of riding dirty with no airbags. So if you're in the need for some airbags, come see these guys at Four Wheel Parts. Order the kits online. They had it here in stock. It was a beautiful thing, and all their technicians are badass dudes. Much love, dude.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
we're about to drop this thing. And again, if anyone's in need, you can also use Wilkey 4WP as the promo in stores or online to save you some cash. That's a beautiful thing about having these guys as a partner. Much love, keep it real. See you on the next one.